You want to earn some extra money in your spare time, but you already have a boss who is constantly hovering over you, telling you when to clock in, take breaks, and eat. Today, I'm going to show you some legitimate websites that pay you daily for work whenever you want. Trimata is the first one we're looking at, and its website is trimata.com. All you have to do as a tester is be yourself. Use the test website exactly as you would in a real-world situation, and voice your thoughts and frustrations out loud so that the site developers can understand your experience. When you go to this website, you can click on Get Paid. This usability testing website can actually pay you through PayPal every weekday. The following website is clearvoice.com, where you can locate them. You can find all the information on joining this and freelancing for them by coming up here, where it states that community you sign up for ClearVoice, a freelance platform, by creating a CV and portfolio profile. This should highlight your expertise, and you can view other profiles to get ideas. When you work as a freelancer with ClearVoice clients, you will be paid via PayPal when your assignment is approved. There are no messy invoices or waiting periods, and you can set your own rate. You can also set your range to see the assignments that meet your pay criteria. PayPal pays you promptly, and right here, you can find responses to some of these inquiries. How can we apply for ClearVoice, and how do you get paid? This is excellent for anyone who can perform any of these things because Talent Network explains how to receive assignments and everything else. These are the current positions that they're seeking, so if you're a freelancer, head over here if you're a copy editor, SEO specialist, ghostwriter, video editor, managing editor, etc. Create a profile to receive daily payment for the tasks you perform. Then comes CourseHero.com. This website serves as a platform for students to find tutors. To use it, go to CourseHero.com and go all the way to the bottom, where it reads, Get Course Hero. You can make money as an online tutor over here. They claim that you can make up to $15 plus per month. This is what their top tutors have been making, and it's flexible. You can use your subject knowledge to answer homework questions and apply to become a tutor. Simply click on Tutors, and you will have all the information on how to sign up and start earning as a tutor. The following Cambly.com. There is a different tutoring site, but with this one you are paid to converse with people in English, so you are essentially teaching them English through conversation. This platform also pays you via PayPal, so for this one, you should go to Cambly.com. You can click on Become a Tutor at the bottom of the page to learn more, and from there, you can get paid for every minute you spend chatting. For example, you can make $1.70 per minute, or $10.20 per hour, on Cambly, and $2 per minute, or $12 per hour, on Cambly Kids. Next up is BigWalk, which you can discover at gigwalk.com. It's a mobile app for Android and iOS that lets you identify quick jobs, or gigs, in your region so that clients can see the work GigWalker submits through the app's back end. You may finish GigWalk platform gigs while you're out and about because they can take anywhere from 5 minutes to a few hours to complete and pay anything from $3 to $100 per gig. The following one is Task Bunny and Furniture, which you can find at gigwalk.com or by just downloading the GigWalk app. You can download this software as well, and TaskRabbit.com has all the details. As a tasker, you can get paid to do what you love when and where you want while saving the day for someone in your city. If you live in a big city, this one will be helpful for you. You can download the app on Google Play or the App Store. They connect busy people in need of assistance with trusted local taskers who can lend a hand with everything from home repairs to errands. Dolly.com is another website that is comparable to TaskRabbit.com. You can come over here to become a helper, and over here you have all of the information, so you make an average of $50 per hour if you own a qualified vehicle and can lift over 75 pounds, or you can become a hand and make an average of $70 per hour. If you do have a truck, you can help people move and transport things if you do have a truck, so like they say here, it's an on-demand truck and muscle to move just about anything. You can make some extra money doing this as well. The app has been around for 10 years and has helped thousands of people make some real money while shopping in stores and online by having you gather information for brands and retailers by taking pictures, sharing your opinions, and doing other tasks to help the businesses deliver their best products and experiences to their customers. The website is app.fieldagent.net, and this is where you'll get all the information about their app, which is very similar to GigWalk. The next one is Ibotta, which you can find at ibotta.com and download the app for. It's a cashback app, and it's probably my favorite because I've been using it to buy things and uploading my receipts to earn cashbacks. You can use it on your computer and add the browser extension, but I use it on my phone because it's cool because you get actual cashback. Thanks for tuning into this wild trick of earning money, and be sure to stay tuned for more exciting content from us in the future.